নমস্কাৰ ফেচবুক ক্লাছৰুমলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি ইংৰাজী গ্ৰামাৰৰ প্ৰিপজিশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰিম। সাধাৰণতে ব্যৱহাৰ হোৱা প্ৰিপজিশ্যনবোৰ বিশেষ নাউন, এডজেক্টিভ, ভাৰ্ব আৰু পাৰ্টিচিপলৰ পাছত বিশেষ প্ৰিপজিশ্যন বহে। এইবোৰ ব্যৱহাৰ আইডিএমৰ দৰে। গতিকে কোনটো প্ৰিপজিশ্যন ক'ত বহে তাৰ কোনো ধৰা বন্ধা ৰীতি নাই। এনেদৰে ব্যৱহাৰ হোৱা কিছুমান প্ৰিপজিশ্যন তলত দেখুওৱা হ'ল। ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে প্ৰিপজিশ্যনৰ ব্যৱহাৰত সচেতন হোৱা দৰকাৰ। আহকচোন আমি প্ৰিপজিশ্যন ক'ত কেনেকৈ বহে চাওঁ। Abhorrence of বিতৃষ্ণা। He has expressed his abhorrence of drinking. Abide by মানি চলা। We shall abide by the rules and regulations of the school. Abide with বাস কৰা। He abides with his uncle. Abide in কোনো ঠাইত থকা। Now he abides in Kolkata. Ability for সমৰ্থতা। He had ability for hard work. Abundance of প্ৰাচুৰ্য। There is abundance of forest in Africa. Abound in or with পৰিপূৰ্ণ হৈ থকা। Assam forests abound in wild animals. Absent from অনুপস্থিত থকা। He absented himself from college yesterday. Absorbed in নিমগ্ন। Ram was absorbed in deep thought. Abstain from বিৰত থকা। You should abstain from drinking. Access to প্ৰৱেশাধিকাৰ থকা। Students have free access to their principal. Accompanied by সংগ লোৱা। I was accompanied by my brother. Accompanied with thing. He had suffered from fever. Accompanied with headache. Acceptable to গ্ৰহণযোগ্য। His proposal is not acceptable to us according to অনুসাৰে। Please do it according to my advice or please do it in accordance with my advice. Accord with সাদৃশ্য হোৱা বা একে হোৱা। The words of politicians do not accord with their deeds. Account for কাৰণ দৰ্শোৱা। The teacher asks the student to account for his absence. Accountable to দায়গ্ৰস্ত। The secretary is accountable to the committee. Accused of অভিযুক্ত হোৱা। The man was accused of murder. Accustomed to অভ্যস্ত। I am not accustomed to such works. Acquainted with পৰিচিত। He is acquainted with all the villagers. Acquaint of খালচ। He is acquainted of the church. Adapted for উপযুক্ত হোৱা। This course of study is adapted for adult learners. Addicted to আসক্ত বেয়া কামত। The boy is addicted to drinking. Adept in নিপুণ। He is adept in dancing. Adequate to প্ৰচুৰ। The amount is not adequate to our wants. Adhere to লাগি থকা। He adheres to his point. Admit into ভৰ্তি হোৱা। The boy was admitted into this school. Admit of সমৰ্থনযোগ্য হোৱা। His conduct admits to no excuse. Adjacent to নিকটৱৰ্তী হোৱা। His house is adjacent to the stadium. Aim at লক্ষ্য কৰা। The hunter aimed at the bird. Adverse to বিৰূপ। He did her adverse to the public opinion. Affection for মৰম। The father has affection for his sons. Affectionate to মৰমৰ। Bina is affectionate to her mother. Affix to লগোৱা। Please affix the ticket to the right place. Afraid of ভীত হোৱা। He is afraid of the tiger. Agree with সন্মত হোৱা একে হোৱা। I agree with Ram a person. Agree to সন্মত একে হোৱা। I agree to his point a thing. A learned at সন্ত্ৰস্ত হোৱা। Everybody was alarmed at the sound. Alive to সজাগ হোৱা। We should be alive to our needs. allot to নিৰ্দিষ্টকৈ ৰাখা this room is allotted to me allow from দূৰত থকা আঁতৰি থকা he keeps allow from bad companion amazed at আচৰিত হোৱা he was amazed at his bad result ambition for উচ্চাকাংক্ষা থকা Ram has ambition for name and fame ambitious of উচ্চাকাংক্ষা Ram is ambitious of power amenable to বহোৱা he is amenable to nobody amount to পৰিমাণ his annual income amounts to 1000 rupees amount to পৰিমাণ his annual income amounts to 2000 rupees angry with a person খং খোৱা my father is angry with me angry at thing my father is angry with me at my misconduct ধন্যবাদ আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই কেনে পালে যদি ভাল বুলি ভাবিছে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ উপকাৰৰ বাবে ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব ধন্যবাদ